Good afternoon and welcome back to the Weather Centre. A weak cold front brushes past the Western Cape coastline today, resulting in some light rain, and scattered thunderstorms are expected in places in the Free State and Gauteng. And in a moment, we'll take a closer look at the thunderstorm that brought about flash flooding in parts of Johannesburg yesterday afternoon. A relatively benign-looking thunderstorm was still developing and intensifying in the vicinity of Alberton yesterday at 2:30, and as it intensified, it slowly moved northwards. Unfortunately, we do not have rainfall observations in Alberton itself. Only 1 millimeter of rain was observed at OR Tambo International and 22 millimeters further west in Randburg, and this was just a good example of how isolated thunderstorms could also result in severe weather in very localized areas. Now, during the course of the evening, thunderstorms also moved over the northern parts of Gauteng, and this morning started off with mostly cloudy conditions across the central parts and thunderstorms on the border of the Northern Cape and Northwest, as well as the Eastern Free State and Southern Gauteng. There's a very faint cloud band visible along the southwest coast associated with a very weak cold front that will bring some light rain to Cape Town and the south coast of the Western Cape during the course of today. Scattered thunderstorms are expected over the eastern interior, including the interior of KZN, and thunderstorms will eventually also make their way to the KZN coastline. The South African Weather Service has a watch for severe storms in the afternoon and evening hours for the western parts of KZN, as well as the northeastern interior of the Eastern Cape. As thunderstorms affect mainly the interior of South Africa, a high-pressure system ridges in along the Eastern Cape coastline. Cloudy conditions are expected this evening, together with a bit of light rain along the Wild Coast, but for today it will still be very hot and uncomfortable, especially in KwaZulu-Natal and the Lowveld. Maximum temperatures reach the mid-30s there. In Bombela, a high of 32 likely, 28 degrees in Johannesburg. Cape Town is cooler with a maximum of 24. The wind forecast remains fresh northwesterly over the western interior, with a moderate southwesterly breeze in Cape Town and strong southwesterly winds in PE and East London. Tomorrow we're expecting scattered thunder showers over the eastern parts of South Africa. It remains hot and uncomfortable in KZN, as it does on Sunday as well, with thunderstorms still affecting the central and eastern parts while it becomes warmer in the west. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your day.